Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are trying on the SKIMS Dolce Gabbana limited collaboration cotton jersey mock neck tank in the color ONYX. Now this tank comes in a white as well as a leopard, which I've purchased both of, so I will be recording and posting both of those shortly. But for now, this is the black colorway. Now the first thing I noticed is that this is definitely a different packaging from the midi dress that we recently unboxed on the Fashion Try-On. I have picked up quite a few items because I just love this collection, so we will be taking a look at a bunch of them. And while I still like this packaging because it is that like more luxurious velvety type material, it is less legit than the box drawer that the dress came in. Now, taking a first look at our product, here is the swing tag. It is the same material as that cardboard boxing, which I do think is really lovely. And then of course, inspecting our garment for the first time, we can see that it is a kind of next level cotton. It is really stretchy. It feels really well made and sturdy. And then of course you have the Dolce Gabbana and SKIMS logos adorning the neckline as well as the armholes. Now, I knew that I was going to like this, and well, I predicted that I was going to like this, so I'm happy that it actually held up. I really do like the material. It feels like a next level cotton, which just kind of dresses this up in my opinion. This definitely feels like something you can wear out with like black high-waisted pants or the pants that I'm going to try on in a second. Now there is one more design detail, which is a Dolce Gabbana SKIMS logo on the back of the tank. This is the same detail that you'll see on quite a few of the items that came in this collaboration. Now, upon first glance, I really do like this top. I, for reference, picked up the size XS, and I usually wear a 0 or a 2, and my band size is 32 in case that's helpful. So I really liked this tank. I have also ordered the size small because I think I might also like that maybe a little bit more because you do see some of the ruching on the armholes. But let me know what you think in the comments below. Did you pick this up or did you pick up another color? And overall, do you like this vibe? What would you change? Let me know all of the details below. Thanks so much for watching and be sure to subscribe.